So one of the things that you can do is easily go ahead and insert out tables in slide as well. So here I have a blank slide in Terabox. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the top and click on insert table. So now you can go ahead and select out the rows and columns right here in the visual area that you see right here. Click on it and the rows and columns will be inserted right here. So now you can simply go ahead and type in the data right here, and you can select out the cell and change around the font, change around the font size right here, and even go ahead and change around the content right here just like this. So this is what you have, and you can also go around over here and you can see that you can change around the size of the table by clicking and dragging the edges around over here just like this as well. So you can go ahead right here, type in data as you want, go ahead and let's say for example press enter right here just like this to go ahead and then change around the size, and then you can also add in, let's say for example, one row above from what you have selected, or delete out row right here, or add in one row below right here as well. Even go ahead right here, insert, let's say for example, the columns as you want as well. You can even go ahead right here and let's say for example highlight out the color as well just like this right here, and you get the highlight. So you get all of the text function as well, and you can even go ahead and then align it to the left, right, and center as you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out tables in slide inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.